I'm Sherwin O. Carmona, BSc po, tapos drafting student, drafting tech.
What have you learned in your stay?
Ako po marami po ako natutunan, yung mga kulang pong tinuro sa school. Tapos ayun, dito ko po natutunan yung tas paano po mas maging malinis pa yung pagkakagawa ng isang floor plan o yung design. Kasi yung iba't ibang klase ng style.
Good day everyone, I'm Caitlin Arbabaw. I'm from Batangas State University, Drafting Technology.
What is the biggest lesson you learned in Abner Construction?
Kailangan po sa isang company is meron ka pong collaboration, tas teamwork po. Kasi kung wala ka po nito, hindi nyo po yung makakonceptualize po at saka yung plano po ng isang floor plan.
My name is Yuan Posadas, Bachelor of Industrial Technology, major in Drafting Technology from Batangas State University, Malbar Campus.
Best thing about Abner Construction?
I think the best thing I liked in this company was the friendly environment, especially in the workplace, and the helpfulness of the employees. If whenever we have any difficulties understanding the concepts of this and that, especially in architecture where we don't have much expertise, we are able to ask our superiors on our designs and our concepts that we have made in this on these floor plans or the designs that we have made. And yeah, that definitely helped us improve our skills, especially on making layouts and designs.
Good day everyone, my name is Mariel Samiano from DSC Malbar and my major was Drafting Technology.
What have you adopted in Abner that you will bring outside?
Yung naalala ko po dito sa Abner was yung confidence level when it comes to work. Since nga I'm a shy type person, it helps my self-esteem to boost.
Jan Hari Balahadja from Batangas State University, Drafting Engineering Technology major.
What will you miss in Abner Construction?
Yung environment, to be exact, since magaan yung pakiramdam nung nandito po sa Abner Construction. Siguro isa rin sa factor is yung mga kasama. Masasaya yung mga kasama dito and wala pong negativity na meron sa company.